Currently have electrolytes in here, but oh man, this hits the spots. It's been a long day. I use BlenderBottle for everything. I use it for my pre-workout. I use it for my protein shake after my workout. I have about 10 of these. Um, I use it for water. I use it for orange juice, fresh squeezed orange juice from Whole Foods. That's what I get. And then I use it for electrolytes, which I drink a lot. That's what I'm drinking right now. Dude, I've been using BlenderBottle, actual BlenderBottle, for probably, I would say, at least 12 years, if not more. And this is basically the only beverage container that I have. I carry it with me everywhere, even on the plane. Dude, this is the OG. Dude, move over like all that Stanley crap, dude. It's all about the blender bottle. You know, if you're about the blender bottle life, and if you're about that blender bottle life, you're gonna buy this and you're gonna enjoy it. And dude, I just want to let you know, like, we're connected. We may not know each other, but we are connected by our love for blender bottles, and it brings tears in my eyes sometimes just to know that there's other people out there enjoying their beverage of choice out of a blender bottle. Sometimes I even put wine in here.